Oh, hold up, buddy. John, what's up?
Heard from a little birdie that Yin's guys are looking for some stuff for the new office.
Yes, we just moved to Texas. I need something totally unique, special.
So what are you thinking? Some coffee tables for a coffee company?
No, I don't think a coffee table. I want something bigger, something that's a little bit more online with Black Rifle Coffee's brand.
Ah, so you're thinking more like a conference table or some desks or something. You guys on the range?
Yeah, of course we're at the range.
Ooh, nice. I think I got an idea. Why don't you guys send me some of those casings and that brass?
I love it. Yes, we'll shoot a bunch of brass. That won't be an issue. All right, guys, let's load up the mags. We're gonna be here a little bit longer. Hit it.
Sure.
Let's go make some coffee.
Drink coffee.
Drink coffee.
Let's do it, buddy.
Let's do it.
So Black Rifle signed off on an insanely sick conference table concept that I came up with. So we're gonna need to go get some slabs.
These are babies. Oh, you're right, those are about 10. So when you have slabs this big, you're gonna wanna get them in the shop and let them acclimate for at least a week, and then get yourself some big, sturdy sawhorses.
Because we're mimicking the Vulcan turret, we want to create those muzzle brakes for that kind of have like the slots in them. So we're just going to sleeve them instead of cutting them in, and it should give a little bit of depth. Sam cut these all down to 6 inches. Now we got to clean them up, and I got to kerf all of these in. I'll see you guys in a week. Ugh. We need to build a huge ring. So we're gonna make this just like a big old segmented bowl.
slabs here.
Oh, yes.
Well, because I don't do anything like normal people, I hope this is enough. Watch yourself. Ooh. Look at that. We're going Stallone on this one. Over the top. That is incredible. I'm like, no way we're gonna need all of it. Mother of God. It's time to demold. Pray for me. Oh, by the way, it's not light. Does it look awesome on its slab home? Mother.
What the frig you doing in there, builder?
Who goes there? Okay, so in order to create a perfect fit, what I did was you saw me trim up the outside of the circle. Well, I need to make the matching circle cut into the slab. So we've rigged up this jig. The math should work. Pray for me. Well, it's game day. Let's go. Hey!
Oh, hello, John.
She's done. You boys ready?
Hello, camera. All right. Woo! Dude, you candidate. That is slick.
Ooh, like a baby's bottom.
So much room for activities.
Yes.
I think it's awesome that
Kinda kept
it's
working
such
on
an
it.
unlikely craft for you to pursue post
Yeah.
being a professional athlete.
Yes.
And I think it's inspirational because people realize I can actually go do something that has nothing, in association with being a professional athlete.
Yep.
But now you're making some awesome tables and whatever else you're doing. So.
Thank you guys. Awesome opportunity. Hopefully you guys use it wisely and use it well.
Are there any Steeler fans in here? Yeah! What are you gonna make me? Can you make me something epic? Like, obviously this won't fit in my house. I
Well-
have to buy a new house.
So I'm thinking
Okay.
we dump some casings in a guitar.
Yes.
Then all the free.
Yes. What if we put something cool? You know how they make the fretboards?
Yes.
So all of that, there's always like indicators as far as where you're up and down on the fret. I
What-
forget the technical
What's your
term.
favorite caliber?
What's my favorite caliber?
Yeah.
I mean, probably 5.56. That's like near and dear to me.
Yeah. Well then we'll do a 5.56, the butt and the fret markers. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, dude,
That'll be cool.
That'd be epic.
Well,
I'm in.
Thankfully one of us can play guitar.